Hey folks, so we're back at the house. Try and get on a little cooking video before the storm comes in. It's a little windy right now, pretty overcast, but we'll see. So this is my lunch almost every day when I'm on the trails. I can eat the same thing every day for a long, long time without being bothered by it. It's always meat, usually Spam, cheese, and a tortilla. And the only thing better than Spam is fried Spam. So I'll show you how I fry Spam if the wind cooperates. Okay, so this is a little titanium plate. You can search on Amazon for thin titanium plate, one that fits the diameter of your bowl, and then it'll be square. Then just take a little bit of an angle grinder to it and round off the corners, and you got something that'll fit inside your deal. And it weighs practically nothing. So that sits right on top of my stove. Let that preheat a little bit. And get the tortilla ready. Spam open. That should fit just right on top. Ooh, you can hear it sizzling already. And you just wait patiently for it to heat up. I won't bore you with this process. I'm going to turn it off and I'll come back when the Spam is cooked. So hang on a second. So I just flipped it over and I put some cheese on top, and it'll get a little bit melty before it's cooked. And the trick is you put it on there and just leave it alone. Because it'll stick at first, but eventually it'll unstick and you'll know it's cooked. All you're doing is just heating it up. So it's not rocket science. Come back on when it's time to take it off and get it in the tortilla. All right, we'll call that cooked enough. And it's a little tricky getting it off, so you gotta be careful, but if you're careful, you can get it. Turn it down a little bit here. There we go. Then next step, just kind of cut it up a little bit. Just try not to cut through the tortilla, but if you do, whatever, it'll be all right. There we go. That's good enough. I know most people don't take forks out in the field, but I like a fork, so whatever. Doesn't weigh nothing. And then last but not least, got to have mustard. So this is a local Oklahoma-made mustard. I think it's called Speckles. My wife found it for me the other day, and it's since become my favorite. So I'm gonna put a good dollop on there. It's got kind of a horseradish bite a little bit. It's delicious. I'll put in a picture at the end so you what kind of that mustard is. Then you just wrap it up and eat it. That's some good eating right there. So that's my lunch. Be my lunch every day on the trail. Just meat, cheese, tortilla. Pretty simple. Anyway, hope you found that interesting. All right, bye now. I'm gonna finish eating before a storm comes.